If only Minister Nathi Mthethwa had downloaded his PPMO ecosystem mobile app. He could have uploaded a selfie or a VN before or on his way to that meeting, simply stating where he was going, who was going to meet, and what they were going to discuss, this way giving family and investigators something to work with. And after the meeting, if nothing happened, he would simply state, meeting went well or was resolved on the app. No incriminating information, but enough to guide and get this going if it ended up the way it did. South Africa has one of the highest murder rates in the world. The probabilities of going to a meeting and not coming back alive are high, extremely high. We all know the industry risk we face daily. One can read the tension levels of engagements with others as they rise in level. As a precaution, upload your proactive data to assist your loved ones and investigators. Should you not come back from meetings, this mobile app use is not limited to ministers and the rich, but anyone. For example, you've been involved in corruption and the secret is or will be exposed. Upload information that will help you. Simply adding names of interest and project names goes a long way. If you are clever working with police, upload your side of the story before the time comes for them to take you out. Then smear and implicate only you with everything, and it does not matter which side of the law you are on. What matters is the risky environment we find ourselves in South Africa. Note, people have been murdered and killed for the way they looked at someone. Do not waste time. Download your PPMO ecosystem mobile app now and start building your data insurance life policy, or call it a sunset clause. You do the uploading and let the professionals ensure the correct stakeholders and beneficiaries access that data. Do it now. Do not wait another minute.